Hey there, my name is Dr. J.C. Doornick, otherwise known as The Dragon, and I was honored to be the MC of the 2024 Cre8tive Con event in Chicago. It was actually the flagship inaugural, first time ever event of its sort, where we allowed people to come there and come there with their creative ideas. And we believe that everybody has creative genius inside of them, and they just don't know how to get that story and those ideas out to the world. So we had this idea to create this event called Cre8tive Con, where you could come to the event with those creative ideas and share them with one another in collaboration, but learn from stage and then have your roll up your sleeves in workshops and learn from industry experts that have actually already accomplished it. Whether it be via podcasting, authoring and publishing books, public speaking, learning communication skills, how to book your public speaking events, and maybe even from the production end, creating social media assets and all of those things. All of those things that you might not know how to do or do effectively, all under one roof, led by industry experts that have already done it. So that's what Cre8tive Con is. Cre8tive Con is an event where you just show up with your creative genius and you learn how to take that creative genius and share it with the world. So I am so excited because in 2025, in February, in Chicago, once again, we are completely leveling up this event. So if you attended 2024, you're going to be blown away. Not only from the actual show and entertainment value of the event, but there's going to be more people there. There's going to be new industry experts that are on the cutting edge of breaking through and learning how to take that idea that you have and effectively share it with the world and create a very nice and lucrative career out of it. Wouldn't that be great if you could go back to dreaming big again and this idea of taking that creative idea that you have inside of your mind and in your heart and learning how to share it with the world? I hope that you'll join us in 2025. Seats are limited, and we want to keep the event, to a certain size because we want to make sure that you get that element of that personal one-on-one contact with the trainers, with the speakers, as well as get the ability to collaborate with all of the other creatives that are there. I hope to see you there in Chicago in 2025.